Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting on Vivo. If you're using a Vivo phone and you are having issue on your Bluetooth, so let's see how can you fix it. You just have to scroll down your control panel and here you'll get the Bluetooth settings. Just keep a long press on it, then select more Bluetooth settings, and then you have to select the device which you want to connect. As I am selected this one, you can see it has been connected. But if your device is not connecting, you must have to turn off Bluetooth and then turn it on again. But if you are having the same issue, you have to go back and here enable airplane mode and then disable it after 5 or 10 settings. So it will make a quick refresh in your network settings, and after that you must have to connect with the same network. But if your problem won't solve, you have to make a restart your phone. So press and hold the power button and then select restart to restart your phone. And after restarting, your problem will be solved. But if it doesn't, you just have to go for settings and make a final step. So go for system management. Here's the system or system management settings. You just have to select it, then select reset options, and then select reset Wi-Fi, mobile network, and Bluetooth, or it may reset network settings. So just select it, and after that you have to tab on reset settings. It will make a reset of all of your Wi-Fi, mobile network, and Bluetooth settings. So that's how you can easily fix it. But if the problem doesn't solve, you have to make a last step, which is to check your system hardware. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.